If you're watching this video, it means you're about to use one of the most advanced product lines for regenerative medicine. P3AI and/or RG for optimum joint and soft tissue wellness. Open the plastic ampoule by snapping off the cap. Squeeze the content of the monodose onto the gauze part of any adhesive patch. 2x4 or 4x4 inch patches are good sizes. You won't need to spread the gel. Discard the unused portion of open monodoses. Apply the patch to the affected area or above the point of pain. Make sure the gel does not leak to the adhesive sides. Several patches can be applied to the patient in different areas. The patch should remain on for at least 2.5 hours, best for 6 to 8 hours. You must apply the patch to clean, dry skin. Tell your patients not to get the patch wet once in place. Do not use the gel as a topical rub. Thank you, and see you soon.